So class, as we have done with introduction to OpenCV and then installation, working with images, working with videos, the last part that is remaining is creating a project, a small project using OpenCV. So I have thought that I'll be creating a project such that we'll be viewing opening the camera, viewing the video, and from the camera it will be taking a screenshot by the press of key. Okay, so let's start. Let me share my screen with you all. Okay, so these all things have been done earlier: installation, introduction, working with images and working with the videos. We have converted the normal images into a grayscale image and normal video into a grayscale video. We have seen that in earlier video. If you have not seen that, please do watch our previous video. And now currently what I'm doing is I'll be taking a screenshot from the camera. So first for that I'll be importing the libraries. So let me take the libraries. After that, I'll be creating a capture object there. So same capture object, okay, step by step. Because all this thing would be same and similar there. Now after that, what I'll be doing is, I'll be viewing my video to cv2.imshow, and inside that, I'll be passing my frame, comma frame. I hope till this everyone is clear what this piece of code is doing. After that, I'll be assigning a variable for wait key here. So k is equal to cv2 dot wait key, and inside the bracket I'll be passing as usual 1, and then later on after that I'll be assigning a condition using if and else. So if k is double equal to 27, so here 27 means escape key. We write 27 for escape key, S key, the top left corner of your keyboard. Okay. After that, break, enter. Then the elif condition that I'll be mentioning it there. K is equal to order S. Okay. What will be this order S will be doing is it will be writing or saving the image to specific path there. That path I'll be mentioning it in IamWrite function. So cv2.imWrite, and inside this IamWrite ka bracket, I'll be pasting the path there. Let me go there and captures. Let me paste this path there. What I want is I want my screenshot that I'll be taking to be captured in here. So Control V and just double slash there. Yeah. And after that, the name of an image is .png format. Okay. So this path I have defined here in IamWrite, and I have defined the name of an image. It will be storing it with a screenshot with an order S. By pressing S, it will be storing the image as a screenshot there. And after that, I'll be passing my else parameter there. So else pass. Okay. And then when everything is done, cap.release. And at last, cv2 dot destroy all windows. Okay. Now let me close my camera, because as earlier it did, it will give me an error because I am working with my laptop camera. So let me stop video and let me run this. Okay. I hope so it should work properly. It is giving me an error. cv2.cv2 has no attribute wait key. Okay, my wait key ka K should be capital. Now let me close this I hope you are understanding how important the capital and small case alphabets are there to write a code. Let me close the program because the kernel is dead. And after closing it, we'll be running it again. Let's try to run this again. Finger crossed. No, something is popped up. So you can see the video there, right? We can see that the code worked very pretty well. Now, if I close this, it won't get closed because the closing ka wait key I have defined, closing ka parameter k I have defined with a 27. So if I press escape, it will get closed. I will run it again and try with escape again. So you can see by pressing escape, it is getting shut down. The window that pops up is getting closed. Okay. Now, if I want to save this, if I want to save the screenshot that from the camera, the project that all was about, so I'll be pressing S there, S, and then I'll be saving it or I'll be checking it. I don't know why is it lagging, frame not responding. Let me check my captures. Nothing is present in the captures there. Let me see again. Okay, because the code is stopped. I don't know why Python is not responding. Close the program. With the let's try once again. Oh, you can see the single slash double slash error. Now let's try. There is something. If I press S, there's a long error there. I am right missing argument position. I need to give the frame there. I hope each and everyone is understanding what's the problem there. Now let's run this again. The pop-up window should appear. I think so. It has appeared. Now if I press escape, it will close down again. I run, and after running it again, if I press S there, and if I check the captures now, see there, it has stored the screenshot from my image. Getting it? Now I'll run again, and I'll press S again, and I'll check S captures again. See, there's got updated there. Getting it? I hope everybody is clear with the code. Now if I change the name there S1 and I run again the file there, and let me see the pop-up window. Yeah, pop-up window is there, and I press S1 there, and if I check by pressing S, if I check my captures a folder there, see S1. Getting it, guys? I hope everybody is getting it what I'm trying to say. Okay, so this was capturing an image from a video, uh, taking a screenshot from a video. Okay, I hope the topics were clear for OpenCV. Okay, bye bye. Have a nice day. Nice to see you.